I'm gonna take all of this gear right here and load it on the cart rack. This is an EZGO Liberty, and if you own one, you're probably painfully aware of one huge flaw with the vehicle, and that's storage. If you're like most golf cart owners and you're trying to haul a bunch of gear to the pool or to the park, like let's say a kickball for reference, let's say you've got pool floats, you've got beach chairs, and you're trying to figure out a way to fit this all in your cart while also safely fitting all your passengers in each seat as well, you're probably always left scratching your head wondering how the heck you're gonna do it. Well, that is why we created this guy. The EZGO Liberty Cart Rack, an American-made, heavy-duty, bolt-on basket, makes hauling gear with your Liberty a piece of cake. Whether you're loading up firewood for the campground or hauling blankets to the park, our BA CartRack is ready to do its job. With 3/16 thick, heavy-duty mounting brackets and 1/8" thick sidewalls, the cart rack is built like a brick, capable of handling any gear you throw its way. With dimensions of 30 inches wide and 12 inches deep and 5 inches tall, it's capable of holding plenty of your items, but doesn't greatly affect your Liberty's length, only adding a total of 9 inches of length to your ride. So you're not sacrificing size for storage. Installation is as simple as it gets. It takes about 5 minutes to install, requires no drilling. Remove the 4 factory bolts from your Liberty's backrest, drop in the passenger and driver side mounts, fasten those down with the new bolts, set the cart rack on top of the mounts, and then fasten the cart rack down to your mounts. Run your 2 included bungee cords through the cart rack, and you are ready to rock. In under 5 minutes, your Liberty goes from no storage to all the storage you need. But the cart rack is just the beginning. With a full lineup of bolt-on attachments, it transforms from a basket into a complete storage system. The attachments include an adjustable chair holder that slides out, locks into place with thumb nuts, and hauls up to 4 beach chairs, plus as many lawn chairs as you can fit on top. Bolt-on cup holders, because you need a spot to set your drinks, a dual fishing pole attachment that keeps 2 rods locked into place with bungee cords, a lockable dry box that keeps valuables dry in the rain, and last but not least, a cargo net that keeps everything secure while you are cruising down the road. Just to show you how versatile a fully loaded cart rack can be, I'm gonna take all of this gear right here and load it on the cart rack. Then after that, I'm going to show you how to purchase this guy and then show you step by step on how to install it. So let's get into it. So how you can purchase this BA cart rack for your EZGO Liberty is either by clicking the link in the description below, or you go to bacarts.com, click on accessory store, then click on the EZGO Liberty category, and then you will see the BA cart rack category for your Liberty. And once you're on that page, you'll see the cart rack as well as all the attachments for you to purchase there right on our website. That's enough of me trying to sell this guy to you. Let's go through the step-by-step installation process. So when you open your Liberty cart rack box, you are going to see the following items. You're going to have a left and right mount for the cart rack. You're going to have your hardware to mount the mounts to the cart. You're gonna have your hardware to mount the cart rack to the mounts. You will have your 2 included bungee cords, and then of course you have the cart rack basket itself. And then all you need for the installation of the Liberty cart rack is 1/2" socket with 1/2" wrench. Then you need a 5/32 Allen wrench with a 7/16 socket as well. So the very first steps in installing the cart rack is we are going to use the 1/2" socket and 1/2" wrench, and we are going to remove the bolts from the roof struts / rear frame. And we're gonna do one side at a time. So in other words, we're not gonna remove all these at the same time because this would drop down. So we're gonna use the deep well socket. So if you do have a deep well socket, I'd recommend that. And I'm gonna go in here with the wrench and remove that. Then remove this one. I'm gonna have to push up a little bit to pull the bolt out. strut removed. And again, like I said, we're not doing both at the same time because this whole thing would fall and end up hitting your body on your cart. Right now, the other side's kind of keeping it supported up right now. So we're removing one side at a time. This hardware you're pulling out of your cart will not be used anymore. So don't need that. Now, what we need is 2 of the 5/16 bolts included with the kit. And we're on the driver's side, AKA left side. So this mount says left. So what we're gonna do is line this up on these existing holes. And we're gonna actually run these through the opposite way. That way we're hiding the thread part of the bolt. So I'm gonna run the bolt from the in to the out. So push that through the mount, push that through the existing holes, line those up there, start my washer. Now take the same exact socket and wrench, and we're gonna tighten this up. Now, when you're doing this, one thing to keep conscious effort of, just get it a little snug first, and then make sure, I'm gonna hold this up with my shoulder. If you look in here in camera, you can see this way, pointing this way. You wanna make sure this is staying parallel with the frame. You don't want one side whopper jawed or not. You want this perfectly parallel with the frame. Now we might have to adjust it later to make the fitment perfect, but for now, we're going to make this as close as parallel with the frame. And yep, that looks pretty parallel to me. Driver's side is done. Do the exact same steps on the passenger side. What we gotta do is make sure these things are perfectly square and straight and same and level with each other before we mount the cart rack down. So the way you do that is take your cart rack and rest it on here. And I can tell right away, I rested on here and look at this. This means that one of our mounts are at a different angle. Our mounts are made the exact same. It's just that we install them slightly different from one another. So this means we either need to come up high on this one or go lower on that one. But I like the cart rack to be at a slight forward leaning stance for strength purposes. So what this means is we need to bring this mount up towards the rear end of it. So we really only need to do the bottom one because that'll change the angle a lot. And then see how close we are now. There we go. What you want is you want the 6th slot in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this slot right here is what you're gonna want. And again, due to some variation in the cart and how it's built and put together, you might have your mounts might need pushed or pulled in a little bit, either out or in, to make sure they line up with the cart rack. So what we're gonna do is make one side bolted down first. So you're going to have your 5/32 Allen bolts, and you're gonna need a washer, and then you're gonna need a lock washer, and acorn nut. And we're gonna put that down through there. Lock washer, acorn nut, put that underneath. Finger tighten that. So the other Allen nut, or I mean bolt, will go through this very last hole. And then again, you need washer, lock washer, and acorn nut. You know, finger tighten this as well. You might have to push or pull, flex this mount one way or the other, left or right, to make sure it's perfectly lined up with the slots inside the mount and then the slot inside the cart rack. Right now, it looks like we're golden. It's about perfectly lined up. So we run these last few Allen bolts through. And then once we have all bolts, acorn nuts, finger tightened, we want to make sure there's some play left or right. We want to make sure we're perfectly centered. So whether you want to use the little roof support mounts right here to look at the gap to make sure you're centered, however which way you want to do it. You can take a tape measure and measure from this side to the strut there and do the same thing over there, but just make sure you're centered, and looks like we're good to go there for me. So now we take our 5/32 seconds Allen, and we take our 7/16 socket, and we tighten these up. Last but not least, our 2 included bungee cords. If you don't have any attachments or anything ran through these top holes, you can just run your cords through here. You can get fancy with it. You can do whatever the heck you want with these bungee cords. You can go to the roof, you can go to the struts. You're gonna figure out the best ways to do it when you're putting your own gear on the cart rack, but that is how simple it is to install the cart rack on your EZGO Liberty. The attachment installation video is a separate video. Tune into that if you want to see how to install attachment. If you ran into an issue installing a cart rack on your Liberty that wasn't addressed here in this video, please contact us at the information below. It's in the description. Phone, email, you have it. But also, if you want to see more of our products we're going to be coming out with for the EZGO Liberty, please click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. As soon as we come out with products, we make videos just like you're watching here, and we go into detail about them. We show you how to install them. And the fastest way for you to know when we come out with a new product is by subscribing to our YouTube channel. But with all that being said, per usual, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting BA Carts.